Converting from decimal to binary. Let's say you have the decimal number 75 and you want to convert that to binary. To convert this to binary, you can divide by 2 a bunch of times and then take the remainders. So we divide this by 2. So if you do 2 into 75, that's going to go 37 times with a remainder of 1. You divide that again by 2. This divided by 2 is going to give you 18 with a remainder of 1. Divide that again by 2. 18 divided by 2 gives you 9 with a remainder of 0. Divide again by 2 and you get 4 with a remainder of 1. Divide again by 2 and you get 2 with a remainder of 0. Divide it by 2 again and you get 1 with a remainder of 0. And divide it one more time and you get 0 with a remainder of 1. Now to get your binary number, you start at the bottom and read up. So 75 in base 10 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 in base 2. Another way of doing this is by looking at this number and trying to figure out how many times powers of 2 go into this. So I'll do that example right now. We'll convert 75. Now, the easiest way to do this, I think, is to write out the powers of 2. So we've got 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. And again, we're converting 75. So now the question is, how many times does 64 go into 75? The answer is once. And you'll have 11 left over. So now instead of doing 75, we've got 11. How many times does 32 go into 11? 0 times. How many times does 16 go into 11? 0 times. How many times does 8 go into 11? Once, with 3 left over. How many times does 4 go into 3? 0 times. How many times does 2 go into 3? Once, with 1 left over. How many times does 1 go into 1? Once, with 0 left over. And so 75 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1.